Hey folks, David York here at the York Way, and today I want to talk to you about one of the items that we're giving away in our 2025 raffle that we're doing this year. I'm not going to bury the lead. This is it right here. This is our travel cleaning kit that we're putting together for the raffle. Now, if you're not familiar with the raffle, go to the website, go to theyorkway.com, hit the link to the raffle page. You'll find out all the information about the contest rules and the thousands of dollars in prizes that we're giving away. And remember, the only way that you enter into this raffle and have a chance to win any of those items in that prize list is you've got to bring your Indian motorcycle to the York Way and have us service it. And for every $100 you spend with us, you're going to get one entry into the raffle. Now, this little cleaning kit it's a small item. We're giving away like 5 of these kits, but it's a very useful item. I've been using cleaning kits. I actually have this kit, but I've been using cleaning kits like this for years on my bike, on my bikes, in my truck, in my office. So everywhere that I'm going to need to wipe my glasses off, clean the visor on my helmet, my mirrors, whatever the case may be, I have these little kits like this. So this is kind of born out of my own experience and usefulness for these products. Now, these kits are based on the full-size bottles, and we have these products, so we sell these products. But this is the waterless wash product, so this is a ready-to-use product that you spray on whatever you're trying to clean, let it sit for 15-20 seconds, emulsify the thing that needs to get cleaned off of there, and then you wipe it off. This other product is ceramic gloss, and this is intended to be your topper, so you spray it on the clean surface, and this is going to give you protection and make it easier to clean again in the future. So you're going to get these travel size versions of those products that I just mentioned. And you're going to get 2 of these microfiber towels. These are 8-inch by 8-inch towels, so they're great little size. They're not too big, not too bulky. They're going to fit in a little baggie. We're going to give you the kits in this little baggie, and they're like I said, they're a great size, 8 by 8-inch, 350 GSM, 70-30 blend. So they're a nice soft towel. Again, I've been using these for years. Cleaning my glasses, cleaning my visors, my mirrors, my bits and pieces in my truck. They're a wonderful little towel, like I said, and the great size. So you're not dealing with a 16 by 16-inch towel like most good microfibers are. So the way this works, the way this system works is very simple. I think I've got a few little bug guts here left on my helmet from the last time I was out riding my Triumph. So very simple. Take your waterless wash spray here. That's what's in this bottle. Give a good little liberal spray dousing on the helmet. Let it sit 15-20 seconds. It's going to emulsify and lift all of the bug guts that are on there. And then we're just going to wipe it off. When you wipe, I like to do a wiping action that's kind of as you're pulling across, you're also lifting the surface of the towel. So that makes sure that as you're pulling the towel across the surface you're cleaning, you're picking up the item, the debris that's on the surface, and depositing it on the towel. And as you're lifting that towel, you're continuing to reveal clean sections of the towel onto the surface that you're cleaning. So you're not dragging bug guts and other bony, hard things across the thing that you're cleaning, which would induce scratching. So just go right across like that. Flip to the other side. Let's go right across like that. I'm going to flip to one more corner here, just to do a nice little buff. The thing about detailing is you don't have to wipe a lot. If you're using the right chemicals, you do not have to wipe a lot. If you have to keep wiping, you're not using the right cleaner. So we've got us a clean surface. We're going to do 1 spritz of the ceramic gloss. Get this thing primed here. There we go. Put our towel right where we sprayed. Apply it around the visor. Flip sides of the towel. and just do a quick buff, and you're just going to feel right away how slick that is. That's going to give you protection, and it's going to make it easier to clean the next bugs that come on or that hit your visor. So again, these are going to go right in your travel kit. I like to just roll mine up like so. Put them in the kit. And I think just about every bike that's out there, somebody can find a spot. You can find a spot at least for the waterless wash. If not, you know, it's great to have both of these, but at the very least, having a spot for the waterless wash on your bike is great because, like I said, you can clean your glasses, maybe ride with sunglasses or your full face helmet or whatever you may need to clean a visor. Clean your mirrors, so you can see what's going on behind you. Clean your instrument gauges, whatever the case may be. These are great. And in a pinch, there's enough in here that would actually clean your windshield. You're obviously not going to clean a bike with this. There's not enough towel. There's plenty of cleaner, but there's not enough towel to clean your bike. One bonus is these things smell amazing. All of these products, all these detailing products that we sell smell amazing. So there you go. That's the travel cleaning kits that we're giving away this year in the raffle, and we have some other things that we're going to give away. We'll do some more videos to introduce those things to you, but that's going to be our travel kit. And remember, you got to bring your Indian motorcycle to the York way to have it serviced the way it was meant to be.